Well, we got Mitch Millard here on June 30th, 2009. He's fishing with his dad, Dave Millard, old-time International Falls hockey stud. And they're up for the summer doing a little fishing, and he's got a big fish on there. We haven't seen it yet. We haven't seen it. Nice and easy. Mitch is doing a great job. Oh, yes. Yes. Keep that tip. He's keeping that rod up nice. He's keeping that rod up nice. Don't put that net in the water yet there, Dave. Oh, boy. What do you think, Mitch?
Big one.
You having fun on Rainy Lake?
Oh, yeah.
Kind of move your rod that way. Kind of keep it away from the motor. Let's see. Oh, it's a big fish. Nice. Keep your rod up. Nice and easy. Boy, oh boy. Of course, my camera works not the best, but move your rod that way so I can get him away from the motor. You get it away from the motor. You got to get it away. There you go. It's a big walleye. Oh, it's a big walleye. Wow. Okay. Wow. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that. Wow. Good job, Mitch. Boy, that fish there was a real fighter.
Oh, yeah.
That's a real fighter. Let's take a look at that, Mitch. It's about a... Oops. What a dandy.
Nice.
Wow. Mitch, that's about a 26-incher. Long fish. Boy, healthy too.
Yeah.
Let's get the hook out of this here. It's a cute little camera you got here. Yeah. That walleye sure engulfed it. Mitch Millard, June 30th, 2009. Good job, Mitch.
Thank you.
Let's let that one go. That was nice. Fun.